I'm weather specialist Michelle Nelson. If you are heading out tonight, it's really the calm before the storm. We do have overcast skies and a bit of a gusty wind, but that wind is coming out of the southeast, and that's actually warming us up as we head throughout the overnight. Temperatures will not stay on the warm side, though. It's 6 degrees right now. You can see that rain inching closer and closer, and we do have a special weather statement in place. This is widespread for most of southern Ontario, and it's due to the winds. They will be quite strong tomorrow afternoon, lasting into the evening. We're looking at peak wind gusts for the GTA at 80 kilometers per hour. But if you head to Niagara, there's a wind warning in place for southern Niagara region, including Niagara Falls and Welland, for gusts to 90. In terms of those winds, we are going to see them change direction coming out of the southeast right now. But tomorrow, a cold front is really going to slice through, and that's going to change the direction of those winds. So they'll become more westerly. Here's how things are going to play out. We're also looking at some rain. This begins around midnight tonight. It will be heavy at times tomorrow morning, and then behind this, colder air filters in from the north, and we are going to get into some snow squall activity along the shoreline of Georgian Bay and Lake Huron. We do have a few snow squall watches in place. I'll show you where we're expecting that in a minute. First, let's talk about that rain because that's what we'll see. Temperatures will be on that warm side again, 10 degrees tomorrow morning. We could see up to 20 millimeters of rainfall before it tapers off around the noon hour. Behind this, that cold front slides through, the winds become westerly, that cold Arctic air filters in, and we get into that lake effect snow. North of the city for the snowbelt region, that's where they could see locally 25 centimeters by Thursday morning. For us, we're looking at some flurries. Tonight, temperatures are actually warming up, as mentioned, 9 degrees. Those winds out of the southeast quite strong, but you'll really see those pick up throughout the day tomorrow around the noon hour, quite gusty. It's going to be a rainy and windy day, at least for the first half. We're looking at the rain. These temperatures, these are your daytime highs, and we reach those early in the morning. We should hit around 10 degrees in Toronto, but here's a look at that hourly forecast. By the time we get to 1, 3 p.m., temperatures really plummet. We should hit the freezing mark later in the day, and that's where we're looking at some flurry activity. Now, in terms of what we're expecting moving ahead, we aren't just looking at the rainfall. We do have a bit of a temperature roller coaster as we head into the first week of December.